Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Saeed Ali Madar Nazmi. In this lecture, we will discuss exercise 15.2, question number 29 from Thomas Calculus 12th edition book. The statement of problem is sketch the region of integration and evaluate the integral. And integral is given to us 2 dp dv. The limits of p are v to minus v and limits of v are minus 2 to 0, and we have a PV plane. PV plane means our horizontal axis will be p axis and vertical axis will be v axis. As this integral is very simple, we will solve it first and then we will discuss its region. With respect to p, 2 is constant, we can take it outside, and the integration of dp will be p. In the next step, after integration, we will apply the limits with the help of fundamental theorem of calculus, upper limit minus lower limit. For upper limit, we have replaced p with minus v, minus the sign of formula, and lower limit is v. So minus v will be minus 2v. And in the next step, we will integrate v as v square over 2. So after integration, we will simplify it with the help of fundamental theorem of calculus by applying the limits, and we get our answer as 8. So in this question number 29, integration is very simple. Now the next thing is the sketching of region. For sketching, we know that the values of variable in the limits will provide you the boundary of the region. So the limits of v are minus 2 to 0 will provide us two boundaries. V equal to minus 2 will be our first boundary, v equal to 2 will be our second boundary. Similarly, p equal to v will be our third boundary, and p equal to minus v will be our fourth boundary. So we have total 4 boundaries with the help of these 4 limits. So first of all, we will discuss the boundary p equal to v. P equal to will be a line which passes the point 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, because here, if you substitute p equal to 0, you will get v equal to 0. You will get the same coordinates. Similarly, p equal to minus v will be a line which passes through following points in the PV plane. V equal to 0 will be the equation of horizontal axis, and v equal to minus 2 will be a horizontal line. Now, in this diagram, you can see that we have this horizontal line v equal to minus 2, this red line which is our horizontal axis, p axis, as v equal to 0. This line is p equal to v. It passes the point 0, 0, 1, 1, 2 equal to 2. And the last line, this purple line, is p equal to minus v. From all these boundaries, please note that our horizontal axis, means p axis, is involved in our limits, but our vertical axis, v axis, is not involved in our limits. So this vertical line, which is represented here with dashes, is not our boundary line. So our region of integration is this whole term, this whole area, which is highlighted here. So the important thing is our vertical line here, the v-axis, is not included in our region because it is not our boundary. So this is the complete sketching of our region of integration. Thank you so much for watching.